going on, guys? 4.0 Kev here. 2018, February 3rd, 2018. Yep, 20 degrees outside. It ain't riding weather, but guess what? I got the bike running. You guys probably didn't see the bike in maybe 2.5 months. It's because when I installed my RS3 high flow exhaust, the Yoshimuro, it's a full header and all the way through. It's not a slip-on or anything, so it's a real kit. I was riding one day back in December or ending of November, I can't remember, from work, and I just went for a little cruise far away from home, and literally it just stalled out on me. Thought I ran out of gas. I put in a reserve, nothing, but I did actually run out of gas, so probably that's what caused it. And I went to the gas station. I walked it like 10 blocks to the gas station, got some fuel in it, and then it wouldn't start back up. The only way it would start back up is open the throttle and start, and like once you let go of the throttle, it will shut off. So what I had to do is ride home, riding the clutch and everything. Hopefully that didn't harm it. It seems like it's shifting fine right now. But got it home, opened up the bike. I thought I messed up a ring or something, because before it shut down, it went pop. You know, like when it sounds like an engine seizes up, or you did something to your top end. It sounded like that. I got scared, but I'm hearing nothing from the top end. After opening it up, I realized, oh snap, I upgraded the exhaust system, but I didn't upgrade the airflow or the fuel flow. So I bought a jet kit, stage 2, and I installed the drz400sm main jet, upgraded the springs, upgraded the pilot jet, and got it back. Right now I'm still tuning it, so I'm waiting for the engine to get warmed up. It's pretty warm right now, but I'm still tuning the fuel flow at idle, which I'm about to adjust it. Sounds way better, but let me give you guys a little rundown of it revving, and it sounds really good. Guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, and more videos to come. Project